It was about 3 years ago. I felt like I was drowning above water. And basically, that means I was doing a lot, still maintaining, but didn't have any time to make my life better or improve the processes that I was, doing every day. So, this video is my story. It's about basically how affiliate marketing partnerships have changed my life. Okay. And I'm going to highlight one of my favorite affiliate marketing partnerships today. So, this is when I first started LiveGood. Okay. When I first started LiveGood, I had no idea what to expect. I had never, ever been a part of an MLM before. So, it was all new to me. And I just want to share real quick. Watch this video until the end. I want to share with you how LiveGood has changed my life. All right. So the first way LiveGood changed my life was definitely, like I mentioned already, the passive income, the waking up in the morning, realizing you made $100 while you were sleeping, or you made $50 while you were sleeping. All right. So that's an amazing feeling to me, coming from a real estate background where everything is pretty much physical labor and you do a lot of work up front for free. And sometimes, people feel like you got paid too much, and I feel like I didn't get paid enough. So, yeah, making 50 or 100 or 200 or 500 in your sleep is a big deal. And not only for real estate agents is it a big deal, but it should be a huge deal for anyone working a 9 to 5, any stay-at-home moms, anyone who is just struggling in their business, feeling like they are drowning above water. All right, so let's go to the next way LiveGood has changed my life. All right, I met a lot of amazing people at LiveGood. Professional people from all walks of life. You get to connect with, communicate with, be in camaraderie with. So that's another way LiveGood has changed my life. The people. All right. And, let's talk about one of the biggest ways LiveGood has changed my life, and that's with their amazing products. All right. So we got Super Greens, which is great for gut health and your digestive system. And if like I know, we all need to keep our gut check in health, especially, once we found out that some diseases start or grow, from not having a good gut health. So, and, next I want to talk about those super reds, which I love because every time I mix some of it with a bottle of water, I'm cleaning up the whole house. Like my energy is through the roof. So I love that. But last but not least, the mushroom coffee is one of my favorite ways it's changed my life because I was one of those people getting the sugary lattes every single morning. All right. So I'm saving money and I'm not getting all that sugar in my system every day. So, that's another way LiveGood has changed my life. I just want to say, if you've ever thought about joining LiveGood, but you've been a little hesitant, I want to tell you the time is right now. We are approaching 1 million members. So you've heard me talk about that forced matrix so many times before. You want to get in definitely before we reach those 1 million members. We are also approaching our 1 year anniversary. And last but not least, if you get in right now, you have a chance to earn $50,000, not to earn, to win $50,000. So what are you waiting for? Click that link right now below. So let me know in the comment sections what questions you have. I answer each and every question. So that is it. That's my story. That is my experience since I joined LiveGood. And I'm so glad that I did get started when I did. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. It helps me to continue delivering free content about how you can make money from home and how you can make money from your phone. So it's Katina Willis. I'm out. Thanks very much. See you next time.